On 23rd December 2024, YouTube sent me an email and they were informing me they were actually notifying me that my channel is ready to monetize. And today, as I'm recording this video, today is 16th of January 2025. I've not monetized my channel. I've not applied for YPP. Do you know why? I'm going to tell you why. And I hope this video is going to help a lot of people out there, people who are actually uploading videos, people who are looking for the watch hours, people who are looking for subscribers. This video is so helpful. So please watch this video from the beginning up to the very end, because every information I'm going to leave here is so important. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time to be my channel, my name is Ben, and on this channel I create videos about tools, tips and strategies on how to grow on YouTube. So if you're looking on how to grow on YouTube, or if you want to grow on YouTube for success, just subscribe to my channel. And if you also want to improve your editing skills, if you want to learn how to edit, subscribe right now, because I give lessons on editing. Alright, without wasting a lot of time, let's go into today's video. After getting 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers, everyone thinks about monetizing their YouTube channel. But in this video, I'm going to say do not apply immediately after getting 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers. Yes, this is what actually happened to me. After getting 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers, I had to first verify my channel to see whether it is capable, whether it is eligible for monetization. I checked my channel and I found out that my channel was not eligible. So what I had to do, I had to do what is needed so that I can apply in the right time. And that's why I've been waiting from 23rd December 2024, and I'm hoping to apply on 1st February 2025. Yes, that's when I'm actually hoping to apply for monetization on my channel. So don't rush after getting 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers to apply immediately. In this video, I'm going to break down, I'm going to take you in my YouTube studio. I'm going to show you everything you need to have before you apply for monetization. All right, without wasting a lot of time, let me first take you in my YouTube studio and show you how to check, how to verify, and how to know that your channel is good and well positioned to be applying for monetization. Now we are in my YouTube studio, and this is the dashboard, the home dashboard. So once you go to your YouTube studio, what you do, you go to your content. Okay, you just click on your content. Okay, these are my videos, and we have here visibility, restrictions, date, views, comments. Okay, so this is a scheduled video, and as you see, it has no restriction. So you have to check on all your videos and make sure that the restrictions are showing none for each video before you apply for monetization. Okay, as you see, my videos, they all show none. You can go on and click last page, next page, you see, and you check. You have to take time and check all of your videos, all the videos on your entire channel, and make sure that all of those videos show none for restriction section here. And after checking for your videos, don't stop there. Go to shorts. If you have shorts on your channel, if you make shorts on your channel, you also need to make sure that your shorts show none for this restriction section here. Okay, as you see, my shorts are showing none. And you don't stop there. You go to your live streams. Now, these are my live streams, and here is the restriction. As you see, these live streams don't have issues, but there is a live stream here that has an issue, and this live stream is removed. Once you find out that your live stream or your short or your video has a copyright, something like copyright here, it may not be removed or removed, but once you find out that it has a copyright instead of none, like the way you see this one here, it literally means that your channel will not be allowed in the YPP. So you have to either delete that video, that live stream, or that short, or you edit it. You can edit it. There are options of editing that and remove a copyright if it is editable. But once it is a copyright takedown or a strike, you don't need to delete it. You just leave it for the 3 months, because a strike expires after 3 months. So you have to wait for 3 months to get done, and then you can apply as I did it. Okay, now when you go back to my dashboard, my home page, and you look at my strike right here, this is an active copyright strike that I have. All right, let's have a look at it. Now, as you see, my copyright strike, it is remaining with 10 days to expire, meaning I will apply after 10 days. But as I told you, a strike expires after 3 months, meaning I had to wait for 3 months. And in these 3 months or these 90 days, I've gone for 80 days and I'm remaining with 10 days so that I can apply. Now, after verifying your YouTube channel and knowing whether it is eligible or not, you have to also know which documents you need before you apply for monetization. And I'm going to tell you these important documents that you need to have before you apply for monetization. Okay, the first thing and the most important thing that you need to have, it is a mailing address. The mailing address should be found in your country, okay? You have to use a mailing address that is found in your country. So I don't know how to explain about this, because I believe a lot of people are watching from different places. So search and know what is the mailing address in your country. This should be an international mailing address that is found in your country, okay? So you have to search and know which is the mailing address, an international mailing address in your country. The second thing that you need to have, it is either a national ID, driving license, or a passport. If you don't have 3 of these, you can use any government issued document. If you know that you have any document that was issued by your government, you can use it. YouTube accepts it. And the other thing that you need, it is a bank account. And this bank account, you can use a bank account in your names, or you can use a bank account in your mother's name. With the bank account, they don't put a lot of regulations, so you can use whoever's bank account. So if you don't have a bank account, you can use someone's bank account, but you have to make sure that you trust those people. The fourth thing you need, it is a TIN number. A TIN number, it is tax information number. Tax information number, it's the number that YouTube use to deduct tax from your earnings. The earnings that you get from YouTube, YouTube deducts tax and pays your government using that TIN number. So you have to also have a TIN number. Now, once you find out that your YouTube channel has issues, don't apply for monetization. First, clear out those issues. And if you don't have the documents that I stated, please do not apply for monetization. First, get the documents, and then later you can apply. Because if you apply and you don't have these documents, you're going to be demonetized in the future, even before earning a single coin from YouTube. So first, get the documents. First, verify your YouTube channel before you can apply. If this video is helpful, please like it, smash that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. You can check out this video that teach how to get watch hours. I got 3,600 watch hours in a period of 7 hours, and you can also do it after watching this video. You can also check out this playlist that teach how to grow a YouTube channel. I've organized this playlist for people who want to grow their YouTube channel, mostly for subscribers. All right, thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.